I've dulled my chainsaw chain on a dirty log. So what we're gonna do is try to sharpen it with an angle grinder. I bought this $6 grinding disc from Harbor Freight. Put it on my $25 Harbor Freight angle grinder, and we're gonna see if it'll sharpen that chain. But first, let me show you just how dull this chain is. Got these little hemlock logs right here. Dang thing's flooded. Now when it's flooded like that, what you do, put the chain brake on, hold your throttle down. So that is a very dull chain. So the way this works is we're just gonna try to follow the original angle that's on the chain. There's an angle of the tooth and the angle of the cut. Let's see how it works. Alright, we're all done. That was pretty quick. It's a 81 drive link 20-inch chain, however long that took. Let's test it out. I'd say that works pretty good. So good that I think it might be a good idea to go get a battery powered angle grinder and start carrying it with me. Anyway, thank you. Quick and dirty way to sharpen your chainsaw chain with a cheap angle grinder.